Blackrock is pulling the trigger. This is an absolute domination that's taking place. The Shiba Inu team is furious about what's happening on the market. And this can totally make sense. It's now less than 30 days left for the biggest event for crypto space. Bigger than the launch of Bitcoin ETFs. Even bigger than the launch of Shibarium. The whales are acting crazy and sending hidden signals to each other. But it looks like we finally deciphered this mystery, and now have a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes and what to expect next. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. The market took an unexpected dip, which has left many investors feeling frustrated, especially those who had been building momentum and hoping for a positive turn. It's always tough when things don't go as planned in the world of investing, and this drop has added pressure on everyone involved. Interestingly, a Shiba Inu team member recently addressed this situation on Twitter. Her message wasn't just about the market itself, but also a reminder to focus on health and well-being, encouraging investors to take care of themselves during these tough times. She acknowledged the frustration many are feeling, but stressed that it's important not to let these financial challenges take too much of a personal toll. Her outlook was a bit more spiritual, saying that she trusts in timing, and what's meant to come her way will eventually arrive. And when you think about it, her message could be interpreted as a reminder that sometimes things are out of our control. In a volatile market, you can only do so much before you have to let go of the constant worry and accept the outcome, trusting that things will work out in the long run. It's like any challenge in life. There are moments when you push, but also moments when you have to step back and let things play out. But what specifically caused the market to drop? Well, the Shiba Inu team member provided some insights on this as well. She pointed out that the main reason for the decline is uncertainty, particularly with the upcoming elections in the US and the ongoing tensions that can impact the crypto landscape. When elections approach, especially in a country as influential as the United States, investors often become wary. They don't know what policies the new administration might introduce, which can create a sense of instability in the market. This uncertainty can lead to people pulling back their investments, which naturally drives prices down. And that's a very interesting approach. Holding on to cash during uncertain times, especially with the upcoming US elections, can actually be a smart strategy, and many investors are choosing to do just that. This approach allows them to wait and see how things unfold before making any big decisions with their money. One of the main benefits of keeping cash on hand is flexibility. When the market is volatile, having cash means you're ready to act quickly when opportunities arise. If prices drop significantly due to uncertainty, you can jump in and buy at lower prices, potentially maximizing your returns when the market stabilizes. In the crypto market, this strategy is particularly useful. Crypto can be extremely volatile, with prices swinging wildly in response to news or events. By holding cash, investors can avoid getting caught up in the emotional roller coaster of price changes. Instead of panicking and selling during a dip, they can remain calm and make informed decisions about when to invest. Ultimately, while the idea of holding cash may seem like a missed opportunity in a booming market, in times of uncertainty, it can be a strategic move. It allows investors to be patient and wait for the right moment to re-enter the market, especially in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. This thoughtful approach can help them navigate through tough times and make smarter decisions when the conditions improve. But here's something important. In just 29 days, the US elections will take place. Historically, Bitcoin has shown a tendency to pump right around election time. This trend suggests that as the election date approaches, we might see increased interest and investment in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and other, as people often speculate on potential changes in government policies and their impact on the market. This could mean that right now might be one of your last chances to decide whether you want to take the risk and invest before that potential price surge. With only 29 days to go, the window of opportunity isn't very long. If you believe that the crypto market will follow its historical trend and rise in value after the elections, this could be the moment to act. And it seems that some big players in the market are already making moves. The recent decrease in the price of Shiba Inu has created an opportunity for larger investors, often referred to as whales. On-chain data shows a significant spike in the large holders' net flow metric over the past 24 hours. This metric increased dramatically from a net outflow of negative 163 billion Shiba Inu to a net inflow of 349 billion. This means that in just one day, the net movement of Shiba Inu by these large holders has changed by over 500 billion Shiba Inu. This huge increase suggests that whales are seizing the moment to buy more of the coin while its price is down, potentially anticipating a rebound in the market. Can have a significant impact, as increased buying pressure from whales often leads to rising prices, which could attract even more investors into the Shiba Inu community. And it looks like the whales might be acting now for a good reason. A technical analyst known as Charting Guy is predicting a potential price surge for Shiba Inu. He's pointed out that the meme coin is showing strong signs of an upcoming rally, based on some successful breakout and backtest signals he's observed. Today, Charting Guy shared his insights, explaining that Shiba Inu is in its final waiting phase before what could be a significant rise. He backed this up with a historical weekly chart, which shows that Shiba Inu broke out of a downtrend that had been going on for about 7 months, starting in March. Interestingly, this breakout happened at the end of September, when Shiba Inu saw a huge spike of over 40% in just 2 days. However, after that, the price corrected and dropped. At the moment, Shiba Inu is showing signs of recovery. According to Charting Guy, this pullback is part of a successful backtest, meaning Shiba Inu is now poised for its next move upward. With the breakout and retest in place, he suggests that Shiba Inu is ready for a major price pump, implying a potential surge is just around the corner. This could explain why whales are jumping in now. They might be anticipating this next big move and want to secure their positions before the price takes off again. If the technical signals are accurate, the coming days could be critical for anyone holding or considering Shiba Inu. This situation gets even more interesting with Blackrock's Bitcoin ETF continuing to buy the dip. With less than a month until the US elections, BlackRock today stated that Bitcoin and crypto adoption is growing faster than both the internet and mobile phones. That's a bold claim. When the internet first became widely available, it revolutionized how we communicate, share information, and conduct business. It changed everything almost overnight, creating new industries and opportunities. Similarly, mobile phones took off at an incredible pace, making communication instant and accessible to billions of people worldwide. The growth rates for these technologies were mind-boggling, reshaping our daily lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. And now, if BlackRock believes that crypto adoption is moving even faster, it suggests that something monumental is happening in the financial world. This could mean that cryptocurrencies are set to change the landscape of finance and investing in ways we haven't fully grasped yet. What's surprising, though, is that despite these signals, some people remain skeptical or simply aren't paying attention. They might think this is just another trend, but they could be missing out on one of the biggest opportunities of the decade. The potential for wealth creation, new business models, and innovations tied to cryptocurrency is enormous. As more institutions like BlackRock get involved, and as adoption rates climb, those who stay on the sidelines might find themselves wishing they had acted sooner. The world of crypto is evolving quickly, and being aware of these changes could open doors to opportunities that could reshape financial futures. Ignoring this shift could mean missing out on participating in a financial revolution that could rival the impact of the internet and mobile phones. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.
Today is actually a huge day, and it's all because of tricks being done behind the scenes. New bombshell by Satoshi Kusama. Hundreds of millions of US dollars gone missing, and much, much more to come. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today marked a highly anticipated moment for countless crypto enthusiasts. Yet, as the day unfolded, the excitement fizzled into disappointment as the crypto market took an unexpected turn, causing prices to plummet. For many, this sudden crash was not just a financial setback, but a frustrating reminder of the volatility inherent in the world of cryptocurrency. But what happened? Well, a couple of weeks back, the crypto world was buzzing with the news of Hong Kong giving the green light to a Bitcoin ETF. It was a big deal, with many hoping it would flood the market with fresh cash, much like what happened when the US approved its own Bitcoin ETF. For folks who usually stick to traditional investments, it was a big deal. But what happened? Well, a A couple of weeks back, this was a chance to potentially rake in some serious gains. As they saw Bitcoin doing well, they started wondering about other cryptos. They discovered they could buy them on crypto exchanges. And when it came to choosing a crypto that's easy to understand for newcomers, Shiba Inu stood out. With its adorable dog logo and simple concept, it was a natural choice. Newcomers to the crypto scene don't want to dive into complicated projects they can't wrap their heads around. That's where Shiba Inu shines. It's straightforward and easy to grasp. Unlike some other cryptos that are filled with technical jargon, Shiba Inu's simplicity makes it a welcoming option for beginners. So it's no surprise that Shiba Inu's price skyrocketed in March. And now, with Hong Kong approving them, Bitcoin ETF, the Shiba Inu community, anticipates a similar surge in interest. But wait, if the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF was approved a couple of weeks ago, then what does it have to do with today? Well, a couple of weeks back, the Bitcoin ETF got the green light, but today marks the beginning of its trading. You see, when an ETF gets approved, it's like getting the green signal to start trading it on the stock market. So even though it was approved earlier, today is when people can actually start buying and selling shares of the ETF. It's like the difference between getting permission to open a store and actually opening its doors for customers. Today is when the Bitcoin ETF officially opens its doors for trading, allowing investors to get in on the action. And this is where things went wrong. The Hong Kong ETF was expected to bring in a whopping $300 million in trading volume, but as it turned out, it only managed a mere $11 million. Crypto users are calling it one of the worst predictions of all time. As a result, frustration swept through the market, causing the price of Bitcoin to plummet. And since Bitcoin holds dominance over the entire crypto market, its downward trend often drags other cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, along with it. Today, we're seeing Shiba Inu trading in the red due to this major dip in the crypto market. But anyway, this is just the first day. So even though the prediction failed, the impact is still to be seen. But one thing we know for sure is that you can expect the crypto market to be pretty volatile this week. With unexpected turns like these, it's hard to predict what might happen next. But amidst this uncertainty in the broader crypto market, Shiba Inu developers continue to surprise us. It's actually a good thing when Shiba Inu devs keep surprising us. This is important because it shows that the Shiba Inu market is still a good place to be, and it's a good thing that Shiba Inu team is actively working to improve the project and adapt to changes in the crypto landscape. It helps build trust among investors and users, showing that the project is dynamic and responsive to feedback. Ultimately, this can contribute to the long-term success and sustainability of Shiba Inu as a cryptocurrency. But what actually just happened? Well, the Shiba Inu community is still buzzing with excitement from yesterday's huge news about shibaswap being migrated to Shibarium, something we've been eagerly awaiting for almost a year. And today, Satoshi Kusama came through with more announcements and important details that we all should know. When the lead developer of a cryptocurrency project like Shiba Inu makes announcements or shares important details, it's crucial for people to pay close attention. Their words not only reflect the project's vision and direction, but also signal progress and growth. Additionally, these announcements foster community engagement and transparency while influencing market dynamics. Satoshi Kusama, the founder of Shiba Inu, said, "Transition shibaswap decentralized exchange as a central hub for innovators and shibizens." In a recent post on XE, Lucy, Shiba Inu's content marketer, raised awareness of Kusama's reaction to the migration of the Shibaswap platform to Shibarium. As we already know, Shibaswap recently underwent a migration from solely operating on the Ethereum platform to the ecosystem's layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. Following this development, shibaswap is now multi-chain. Having shibaswap operate as a multi-chain platform is incredibly useful and important for lots of reasons. But overall, the transition to a multi-chain infrastructure positions shibaswap as a more versatile and resilient decentralized exchange, capable of meeting the evolving needs of its users and the broader crypto community. With all the new features that came with the move to Shibarium, Kusama pointed out how shibaswap has become a hub for both creators and members of the Shiba Inu community. He described it as a place where the Shiba Inu community can be a place where people can come together to share ideas and projects. Kusama also mentioned how shibaswap is a great place for new community tokens to grow. He thinks it's like a lively marketplace, where different projects and members of the Shiba Inu community can come together and thrive. Such updates and developments really attract more and more people to view Shiba Inu as a long-term investment. Andrew Kang, co-founder of Mechanism Capital, for instance, has suggested that meme coins like Shiba Inu may see a 100 times expensive expansion in their market cap. He believes this could happen because big investment firms, called venture capitalists, are starting to like coins like Shiba Inu. He said this in a recent post on X after learning about the crypto holdings of some of these big VC firms. According to the data from Arkham, a company that studies markets, one of the biggest VC firms, Paradigm, has a lot of money in crypto, but they don't have any Shiba Inu. However, another VC firm called Symbolic Capital Partners has quite a bit of Shiba Inu. They have about 65 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which are worth around $1.64 million. This is just a small part of their total crypto investments, which are worth over $80 million. Another investment firm called SCP Ventures also has Shiba Inu tokens worth $1.6 million, which is about 2% of their total crypto investments. When Kang looked at the data, he found that Shiba Inu tokens were worth $1.6 million, which is about 2% of their total crypto investments. When Kang looked at the data, he noticed something interesting. He saw that big investors are starting to like coins, like Shiba Inu. Kang thinks their interest could make meme coins grow a lot, maybe 10 to 100 times bigger. He imagines this happening bit by bit, with big investors slowly putting more and more of their money into Shiba Inu. Right now, Shiba Inu is worth about $14 billion, making it the 11th the most valuable cryptocurrency. But if it grew 10 times bigger, it would be worth over $146 billion. And that's huge. But Kang's idea of it growing 100 times bigger would make it worth an incredible $1.46 trillion. That's even more valuable than Bitcoin, which is the biggest cryptocurrency out there right now. And since a 100-fold increase would mean that Shiba Inu's market cap would surpass that of Bitcoin, it seems like a far-fetched idea. However, it's worth mentioning that some people believe this could happen, but only in the very distant future. This belief stems from the idea that, as cryptocurrency is dreamed of, does the number of people who invest in the cryptocurrency adoption becomes widespread, and the traditional financial system faces challenges such as inflation and currency devaluation. The value proposition of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu could become more pronounced. In a scenario where the dollar loses value due to factors like inflation, people may increasingly turn to alternative stores of value, such as cryptocurrencies, to preserve their wealth. Additionally, as the crypto market matures and evolves, the dynamics of supply and demand could shift significantly. If Shiba Inu continues to gain adoption and utility, coupled with a growing user base and ecosystem, its market cap could indeed see substantial growth over time. While growing that much, may seem improbable in the near term, it might become a possibility in the long-term future, under conditions where crypto adoption reaches unprecedented levels and traditional financial systems face significant challenges. This is what they believe. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find out more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.